Hello guys, welcome back to Ray's Gaming and Tech Productions, and today, as you can tell by the screen, we are playing ELEX II. Now I want to give a big shout out to the people over at Evolve and the actual developer of this game because they actually hooked me up with a game key to be able to play this game for you guys. So if you guys end up enjoying this video, please make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on the notifications. And if you guys want to see some more ELEX II, please make sure to like on this video and also comment. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and get into the video.
Magalon, home to a civilization of millions. 166 years have passed since the comet hit, turning everything to ashes. A new era has begun. The war between the free people and the Albs is over. The hybrid lost control of its armies and ceased to function. The Albs became understanding and peaceful. The ELEX was released and once again spread across the entire hemisphere below the Albs' ice palace. But humans are quick to forget. Many of the larger settlements claimed the victory as their own and paid little interest to the affairs of others. Only a few remember those dark times, or one Commander Jax. My name and my deeds faded away in the mists of myth and legend. Many years after the war with the Albs, humankind is plagued by petty conflicts and territorial disputes. Even though there's still the persistent uneasiness about the strange celestial phenomenon that was called forth by the hybrid before its defeat, I know that an unknown foe will come soon. The lives of all the aware will be shaken to their very core. All my efforts to prepare humanity for this impending danger were for naught. Humans forget. A vague, unknown threat looming in the sky quickly became nothing but a small, daily nuisance to most. Until now.
Oh my god, what is that? What are those? I don't know, cat, this is giving me Fallout 4 vibes. and oh my god, one thing I will say is that the graphics in this game is awesome. Now, the one thing I will say is this game isn't the best when it comes to optimization on the Xbox. It shouldn't have stuttering, but right now it isn't having any stuttering like it was. But oh, well, what is that? What is that?
I'm in danger.
How do I fight it? Oh, okay, RT. Okay, it says actions like attacking RT or evading B cost stamina. If you're out of stamina, you can't perform these actions. Okay. Wait, so I can evade? Oh, okay, that makes sense. So where's my... Okay, so the yellow bar down there is actually my stamina. Let me make sure I remember that. But yeah, like I said, if you guys want to see a... Oh, okay. If you guys want to see a part 2 on this, or you may make this a series, go ahead and put that in the comments. Just look at this. I actually like this game. I like that. The way they have the fighting set up. Oh, he's tired. I was trying to spam hit. I like the intro for this game too. It's pretty cool. The cinematic at the beginning. Okay, so where are we going? Well, what is that? No, that's not the same beast. The one I was just fighting did not look like that.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Those are the things from the beginning. Wait, did it see me? Oh, wait, what just happened? Oh, okay. That was a really anticlimactic just cutscene. He just cut straight to it. Didn't even give me any dialogue or anything. Not even a fade or anything. They just cut straight to it. Oh, he is hurt. Oh. Remember, YouTube, this is a game. Oh, God. How did you die from that? Oh, okay, there we go. No. This game is kind of giving me, like, werewolf vibes. I don't know. Wait, so is that going to be my character now? What's about to happen here? Oh, we got imprisoned, didn't we? Oh, wait, no. Okay, they're working with us. Why does that man look like that?
No, 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 no.
Take it slowly. You haven't recovered from that bite yet. It'll be a while.
He looks a
before you
tad
get all
bit
your
better
strength
now.
back. So perhaps you should put off anything too demanding for a few days.
Who are you? Oof. What happened? Where's my stuff? Should we start with the more aggressive comeback, or just say who are you? I think we should just say who are you.
Who are you?
You can call me Adam. Just think of me as a friend who was in the right place at the right time.
Yeah,
That's
this
all you
definitely
need
gives
to
me
know.
Fallout 4 vibes. Okay. Oh, so they still make you ask this stuff. Okay, I'm just say where's my stuff.
Where's my stuff?
If you're talking about the belongings you had in that hut, you can forget about them. All I could save is what you have on you.
Ugh, what happened?
You should know. You were there. The invaders arrived, started taking over the world, transforming it.
In every game, that's
Transforming.
always what it is.
Terraforming, right? That's an alien
Something
species.
from outer space coming down and just starting
A
to take
most
stuff.
hostile, most dangerous species.
So they're not just in Caracas.
Their formers have appeared in every region, threatening life everywhere.
Oh, the cat, this man got a big
It's
head.
not clear what they want yet. All they're doing for now is spreading infection, killing and destroying. Not the
He
promising
definitely looks like a beast,
start.
though. Where can I buy that clothing?
Something's not right. I feel weak.
Yes, you were bitten by one of those creatures. Looks like it infected you.
Infected
Some
you? What do you
kind
mean
of
by that?
Disease.
Was that supposed to turn me into one of them?
What?
From a human to that?
Disease?
Oh.
I'm still not sure how it works, but it's clearly all part of the invaders' plan. At the rate they're transforming things, it won't be long before the whole of Magalan is overrun with their plants and animals.
Okay.
Oh, great.
Yeah, that's not
You
gonna
were
be good.
lucky. It could have been a lot worse. If I were you, I'd stay out of their way and not tempt fate. All other instances of direct contact so far have proved fatal.
How long have I been out?
A few days. You're still badly hurt. I did what I could with your wounds.
Days? No. Dex!
Oh, flashback. Oh,
Be careful.
wait, that's our character, Jax,
Dex!
and this is his. I hope son. The way he cares about him, it looks like it might be his son. They don't look alike though.
Hey!
Yeah, boy.
What is that?
Damn it!
Oh, okay. I thought you were about
My
to
son's
fight
out
that
there
thing.
somewhere. I have to find him.
That is no longer a frog.
Then I'd say you'd better do that.
That is a
before
whole
anything
man.
else.
Okay, so why are you helping me? The world art to the north, is it still there?
The World Heart to the north. Is it still there?
As far as I know, yes. The Berserkers are watching over it. Why do you ask?
My son's with them.
Then you should go. While things are still quiet around here, it won't stay that way for long.
Why are you helping me?
These invaders are a threat to us all, and yet no one even seems to have noticed they're here. Everyone's so busy fighting each other, they can't see who the real enemy is. That's where you come in. You might be an outsider to them right now, Jax, but you're strong, smart, capable.
You know who I am?
I know you did your best to disappear, but not everyone's forgotten you. I need your help to save Magalan, to lead a resistance group. I call it the Sixth Power, a faction separate from all the others, focused on stopping this invasion. I'll show it to you. Meet me in the bastion north of here.
No way. I tried to warn people years ago. No one listened. Now
That's
we've
how
got
it
the
is.
total annihilation of the planet staring us in the face, and still, all anyone cares about is their own stupid. I'm done caring about it. I have my own problems.
All right. Then deal with your own problems first. We can talk again later. You know where to find me.
Okay, we just got a new mission, the Sixth Power.
Faster with a jetpack. I have one left. Take it.
Jetpack?
Go to
Oh
the
yeah,
bastion
that's
when
the
you're
stuff
ready.
I like.
We have a lot of work to do. I'll be waiting there.
This is literally just Fallout 4 and Jetpack Joyride. Only the OGs know what that game is. Okay. Map is pretty big. The attack. So I wonder how many chapters there are. This game is probably very long. I'm probably going to go ahead and end off the video. If you guys enjoyed this first part and you guys want to see more, please make sure to like and put it in the comments. And if you guys like any of my gaming videos, please make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on the notifications. And honestly, I actually like this game. If I was to give this game a rating between 1 and 10, I would probably say 8. This game isn't the best optimized for Xbox, and other than that, there's really not anything else wrong with the game. So I will most likely be doing a part 2 for this game because of course I didn't do much in this video. But yeah, if you guys like this video, please drop a like on this video. But with all that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.